For this video, we're going to do multiplication using the grid method. So I'm going to start off with a 2-digit number multiplied by a 1-digit number. And so for the grid method, you are going to split up the number into tens and ones, and you're going to put it in the shape of a grid. So we're going to just go down and across. Down. I'm going to put the times symbol in the corner so I know that that's there, and I'm going to split it up into 40 and 5. So 40 and 5. It doesn't matter if you've made the grid a little bit too big. It's better to be too big than too small. And then here I'm going to put the 3. So this is 45 multiplied by 3. And that's just broken it down into the tens and the ones, so it's easier to see what we're working out. So what we're going to start off with is 40 times 3. Now, 40 times 3 can be quite challenging because people don't know their times tables up to 40. But you could see it as 4 times 3, and then because there was a 0 on the end, you need to make the answer 10 times bigger. So 4 times 3 is 12, and then 12 times 10 is 120. So 40 times 3 is 120. And then I'm going to move across to 3 times 5 or 5 times 3. It doesn't matter which way around you say it. It's commutative. You'll get the same answer. So 5 times 3 is 15. So now I've filled in all the boxes. I just need to add up these two answers. So I'm going to do a bit of column addition just to make sure everything's okay. Make sure my alignments are all right. And so we're going to have 0 plus 5 is 5. 2 plus 1, or really 20 add 10, but 2 plus 1 is 3. And then 1. So the answer to 45 times 3 is 135.